Welcome back to another quick video from Ryan's Auto Diagnostics. Today I'll be deleting electric steering lock from a BMW E90 CAS module. This is the CAS 3, same thing for the CAS 3 Plus. So the common problems are: one, you go to the car, put the key in the ignition, no ignition comes up, right? No light comes up on the instrument cluster. That could be a sign of a failed steering lock. And once the steering lock has failed, then you won't get any ignition. So no ignition, no start, completely a dead instrument cluster. So I have the CAS module here already hooked up to the programmer. Right. Now let's go over to the program and select immobilizer, BMW, and this chip is a OL15Y. Now there's two parts to it. There's the EEPROM that contains the key information. Always save that, always back up that information and save it. So with that information being saved, if the customer should have a problem in the future with the key, you can always use back this information to make a new key. Or if the CAS module goes bad, you can always just write back this information and the key will work perfectly fine again. Alright, so now let's go over to desktop, new folder. Let's just name that BMW E90 steering lock. Steering lock, delete. Now sometime what you'll find out happen is that when the steering lock fails, it may fail with the steering in the open position, meaning that the steering can turn, or another time you'll find out that it failed with the steering lock and the steering cannot be unlocked. Right, let's back up the P flash as well. So the P flash information is what contains the ESL, the electric steering lock, and that I have a file that I'm going to write to this CAS module that has the delete for the electric steering lock. So once the CAS module is plugged back to the car, this CAS module will no longer be looking for the ESL, so it will just turn on the ignition and the car starts instantly. Let me just pause this until everything is complete. Alright, so the file has been read from the CAS module. Right, now I'm going to save it in the folder as well. Now I'm going to select the correct file with the delete. So let's go to open. Let's go over to, this is my thumb drive right over here. Where are you? Let's see, right. So CAS ELV delete, and we have two flash up inside here. Reason why we have two flash is because the CAS 3 module, they use two different type of microprocessor, OL01Y and the OL015Y. Alright, so the file has been selected. Now let's write the flash file to the CAS. So yeah, the file size for the OL01Y is different from the OL015Y. So if you select the incorrect file, then it's going to tell us that the file size is different. So these CAS modules, they come with two type of chip, OL015Y and OL011Y. Right, OL01Y. I'm just gonna pause the video for it to complete its writing. Now, in some cases, you don't have to do a delete of the electric steering lock. What happens? You can do a reset counter, because how BMW set up their system is that after a certain amount of start cycle, you have to reset the steering lock. But if you reset the steering lock and that doesn't work, if the steering lock fails completely, that reset won't work. Then you will have to either delete the steering lock from the CAS module, like what I'm doing now. So yeah, that's it. Just waiting for this operation to complete. Then I'm pretty sure putting back this CAS in the car, it will start instantly. Okay, so the operation was completed successfully. So basically that's it. Just going to unsolder these wires, give the CAS back to the car.